Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried eggs in a cast iron skillet. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil, and a pinch of salt. Next, place your cast iron skillet on the stove and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking and prevents sticking. Once heated, add the butter or oil to the skillet, letting it melt and coat the bottom. Now it's time for the eggs. Carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the hot, buttered skillet, being mindful not to break the yolks. Let them cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk. If you like a firmer yolk, continue cooking for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see the whites set and the edges crisp up beautifully. A gentle tilt of the pan can help spread the butter. Once your eggs reach your desired doneness, it's time to season them. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper over the eggs. Using a thin spatula, carefully slide the perfectly fried eggs from the cast iron skillet onto your plate. They should release easily if your skillet was properly seasoned and heated. Serve them immediately alongside toast, bacon, or whatever your breakfast heart desires. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs. After enjoying your delicious eggs, proper cast iron care is essential. Clean your skillet with hot water and a stiff brush, avoiding soap if possible to preserve the seasoning. Dry it thoroughly on the stovetop over low heat to prevent rust. Once dry, apply a very thin layer of cooking oil, like vegetable or flaxseed oil, to the entire surface. This keeps it seasoned and ready for your next meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.